ZTE has quietly launched a more affordable phone, ZTE Blade A75 5G. The battery retains the 5000 mAh with 18-watt charge rate. The phone is coming with Android 13 out of box. This phone is available at price of $100. The Blade A75 has a 6.6 inches IPS LCD touchscreen display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone has dual camera setup. Main sensor is 50 megapixel and with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there is 8 megapixel front camera. There is a side mounted fingerprint reader. The back is made of glass and comes in two colors, mint green and diamond black. The Blade A75 is powered by the Unisoc T760 chipset. This is a 6 nanometer chip with 2.2 GHz octa-core processor plus a Mali G57 GPU. The phone is paired with 128 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.